What if I told you there are free AI tools that can literally help you make money online, even if you've got zero experience? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have 5 powerful tools that can start generating real income today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I talk about the smartest ways to use AI to make money and work smarter, not harder. So grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Tool number 1, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Use ChatGPT to create blog posts, YouTube scripts, ebooks, or even marketing copy, all without writing from scratch. People are making money by selling written content on Fiverr or running their own blogs using AI-written articles. Tool number 2, Canva. This free design tool lets you create stunning thumbnails, social media posts, and print-on-demand designs. You can sell digital templates or merch, all created right inside Canva with AI-powered design suggestions. Tool number 3, 11 Labs. Want to start a faceless YouTube channel or podcast? 11 Labs gives you realistic AI voices that sound human. Just upload your script and boom, instant professional voiceover. Tool number 4, Pictory. This one turns your written content into fully edited videos, with stock footage, subtitles, and AI voiceovers. Perfect for faceless YouTube automation channels. Tool number 5, Notion AI. Notion's AI helps you organize your side hustles, plan your content calendar, and manage clients, all for free. It's like having your personal assistant 24/7. So there you have it. 5 free AI tools that can help you start making money online today. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because next video, I'll show you how to combine these tools into a full income system.